Welcome to 4201 Silver Terrace Court in Phoenix City, Alabama. This fantastic all-brick home sits at the end of a cul-de-sac street and features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and approximately 1,632 square feet. The kitchen is spacious with upgraded stainless steel appliances and overlooks the family room, perfect for everyday living. The bonus eat-in area could easily double for an in-home office space or more. The master bedroom is your private getaway with a great ensuite, featuring double vanities, a jetted tub, and separate shower. Make s'mores around the stone fire pit or enjoy a candlelit dinner on the covered patio. There is so much to love about this amazing home. This is 4201 Silver Terrace Court. Don't miss it.
Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you are interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer team, Tom Maldonado and Marty Upshaw at 706-358-4064.